Espiritu, Archery, gold medalist at the 2024 Pagalong Pambansa. Eduardo Daquila Jr., basketball, player for the Parañaque Patriots in the Maharlika Pilipinas Basketball League. Ilocos Norte Junior Baseball and Softball teams. Eric Ang, men's track, Philippine representative of the 2008 Beijing Summer Olympics. Roger Tapia, athletics, gold and double silver medalist at the 2011 ASEAN Para Games and Philippine representative of the 2010 London Paralympics. Ladies and gentlemen, Palarong Pambansa 2025 Light Beam.
Hindi umilaw yung taas. Hindi nga. Hindi umilaw sa taas. Sinisigaw pa.
Kagayem yung kalapsan, dahil manahan, isang sanayan ng presentasyon, Eva Canta Kakawin, at kay Kaisa